In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a channel calendar tab in Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to teams.microsoft.com. Once the site loads, sign in if needed and then navigate to the team and channel where you want this calendar to appear. Make sure you're opening the correct channel before moving on, because the calendar tab will be added specifically to that channel and will be visible to the people who use it. This is a helpful way to keep shared events, deadlines, and team activities easy to find without switching between different areas of Teams. When you're inside the channel, look near the top of the page where the existing tabs are displayed. You should see a plus sign, which is the Add a Tab icon. Go ahead and click that. This opens the app selection window where you can choose what kind of tab you want to add to the channel. If you don't immediately see the option you need, take a moment to scan the available apps carefully. From the list of apps, select Channel Calendar. This is the option that creates a shared calendar experience directly inside the channel. It's especially useful for team coordination because it gives everyone in that space quick access to upcoming meetings and scheduled events in one central place. After selecting it, Teams will begin the setup process for the new tab. Next, enter a name for the calendar tab. Choose a name that makes sense for your team so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might use a name that reflects the purpose of the calendar, such as planning, scheduling, or team events. Keeping the name clear and simple will help everyone understand exactly what the tab is for when they open the channel. Once the name is entered, click Add. As soon as you do that, the calendar tab will be created and made live for the team. You should now see it appear along the top of the channel with the other tabs. From here, your team can open the tab anytime to view and manage shared calendar information more conveniently. That's all it takes to add a channel calendar tab in Microsoft Teams. If you're setting up a channel for ongoing collaboration, this small change can make scheduling much more organized and accessible for everyone involved.